You are going to love 2015 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.